Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on color theory at Simplilearn. In this video, we are going to explore the color theory's significance in UI design. Do you know friends that color theory basically examines how colors interact visually and psychologically? The color wheel, which comprises of primary, secondary and tertiary colors, serves as a foundation. Understanding color harmony is achieved through complementary, analogous or triadic combination, which enhances the design coherence. So now before we move on and learn more about it, I request you guys that do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Now guys, before we move on, let us discuss agenda for our today's session. So we are going to start our session with an introduction to color theory. Moving ahead, we will learn about understanding the color wheel. Then we will also discuss about color harmony in UI design. Moving ahead, we will also learn about importance of color contrast. And at the end, we are going to conclude our session with a discussion on psychological effects of colors.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Just a quick info guys, if you want to become a certified UI UX designer, then Simplilearn has got you covered. You can become an expert in 5 months and attend masterclass from the top faculty of IIIT Bangalore. This UI UX certification program offers live online classes, portfolio creation on Dribble via capstone projects, and designer tools coaching, followed by Simplilearn's job assistance.
Introduction to Color Theory. Color theory is the cornerstone of effective UI design, influencing how users perceive and interact with digital interfaces. It encompasses the study of color relationships, harmonies, contrasts, and psychological effects. At its core is the color wheel, a visual representation of the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors and their relationships. Understanding the color wheel is vital for creating harmonious color schemes that resonate with users. Color harmony refers to the pleasing combination of colors in a design, achieved through various schemes such as complementary, analogous, and triadic. These schemes play a crucial role in establishing visual coherence and conveying the intended message or mood of the interface. Contrast, another key aspect of color theory, affects readability and accessibility. High contrast between elements enhances clarity, while low contrast offers subtlety and sophistication. Moreover, colors have psychological effects, evoking emotions and associations in users. For instance, red may convey energy or urgency, while blue might evoke calmness or trust. By leveraging the psychological impact of colors, designers can create interfaces that resonate with users on an emotional level. In summary, mastering color theory empowers UI designers to create visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces that effectively communicate with and engage their audience. It serves as a powerful tool for crafting experiences that leave a lasting impression and drive user satisfaction. Understanding the color wheel. The color wheel is a fundamental tool in color theory, providing a visual representation of the relationships between colors. It consists of 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, which cannot be created by mixing other colors. Secondary colors, such as orange, green, and purple, are formed by mixing equal parts of 2 primary colors. Tertiary colors are further combinations of primary and secondary colors. The arrangement of colors on the wheel is circular, illustrating their relationships and helping designers create harmonious color schemes. One common scheme is complementary colors, which are positioned opposite each other on the wheel and create strong visual contrast when used together. Analogous colors sit adjacent to each other on the wheel and often produce harmonious and cohesive designs. Triadic colors are evenly spaced around the wheel and offer a balanced yet vibrant color palette. Understanding the color wheel enables designers to make informed choices about color combinations, ensuring visual balance and impact in their designs. By leveraging the relationships between colors, designers can create interfaces that are visually appealing and effectively communicate with users. Whether designing for websites, mobile apps, or other digital platforms, the color wheel serves as a valuable tool for achieving design excellence. Color harmony in UI design. Color harmony is essential in UI design as it ensures that the combination of colors used in an interface is visually pleasing and coherent. There are several harmony schemes that designers can employ to achieve this goal. 1. Complementary harmony. Complementary colors are located opposite each other on the color wheel, creating strong visual contrast. Example, a UI using blue and orange accents. These colors enhance each other when used together, creating a vibrant and dynamic look. 2. Analogous harmony. Analogous colors are adjacent to each other on the color wheel and share similar hues. Example, a UI featuring shades of green, green, and yellow. These colors create a harmonious and cohesive appearance, making the interface feel unified. 3. Triadic harmony. Triadic colors are evenly spaced around the color wheel, forming a triangle. Example, a UI incorporating red, yellow, and blue elements. This harmony scheme offers a balanced yet vibrant color palette, creating visual interest without overwhelming the user. 4. Split complementary harmony. Similar to complementary harmony, but instead of using the exact opposite color, it utilizes two adjacent colors to the complementary color. Example, a UI using red with yellow green and blue green. This scheme maintains the contrast of complementary colors while offering a more subtle and balanced look. 5. Tetradic harmony involves the use of two pairs of complementary colors, creating a rectangular shape on the color wheel. Example, a UI combining red and green with blue and orange accents. This harmony scheme provides a wide range of color options while maintaining balance and contrast. By applying these harmony schemes effectively, UI designers can create interfaces that are visually appealing, engaging, and easy to navigate. Each scheme offers its own unique advantages, allowing designers to tailor the color palette to suit the specific needs and objectives of the interface. Importance of color contrast. Color contrast plays a crucial role in UI design, impacting readability, accessibility, and overall user experience. Contrast refers to the difference in brightness, hue, or saturation between elements in a design. High contrast enhances readability by making text and other UI elements stand out sharply against their backgrounds. It also improves accessibility for users with visual impairments, as it ensures sufficient differentiation between foreground and background elements. For example, using black text on a white background provides high contrast and optimal readability for most users. Conversely, low contrast can hinder readability and accessibility as it may cause text and other elements to blend into the background. This can strain the eyes and make it difficult for users, especially those with visual impairments, to perceive and interact with the interface effectively. For instance, light gray text on a white background or dark blue text on a black background may result in low contrast, making it challenging for users to read. Here are examples of high and low contrast designs. High contrast. Black text on a white background. White text on a black background. Brightly colored elements against a neutral background. Low contrast. Light gray text on a white background. Dark blue text on a black background. Pale yellow text on a light green background. By prioritizing high contrast in UI design, designers can improve readability and accessibility, ensuring that users can easily perceive and engage with the content. Additionally, maintaining appropriate levels of contrast enhances the visual hierarchy of the interface, guiding users' attention to key elements and facilitating smooth navigation. Psychological effects of color. Colors have profound psychological effects on individuals, influencing emotions, perceptions, and behaviors. Understanding these effects is crucial in UI design as colors can evoke specific feelings and associations, shaping the overall user experience. Here are some common psychological effects of colors. 1. Red. Associated with energy, passion, and urgency. Often used to evoke excitement or draw attention to important elements. Can also signify danger or warnings. 2. Blue. Symbolizes calmness, trust, and stability. Frequently used to create a sense of security and professionalism. Can evoke feelings of tranquility and relaxation. 3. Yellow. Represents optimism, happiness, and warmth. Often used to convey positivity and cheerfulness. Can stimulate mental activity and enhance creativity. 4. Green. Symbolizes nature, growth, and harmony. Associated with health, freshness, and environmental awareness. Often used to promote relaxation and balance. 5. Purple. Signifies luxury, creativity, and spirituality. Evokes a sense of sophistication and mystery. Can convey royalty and extravagance. 6. Orange. Represents enthusiasm, warmth, and vitality. Often used to create a sense of excitement and energy. Can stimulate appetite and draw attention. 7. Black. Symbolizes elegance, power, and formality. Often used to convey sophistication and authority. can also evoke feelings of mystery or seriousness. 8. White represents purity, simplicity, and cleanliness, creates a sense of spaciousness and openness, often used as a background color to enhance clarity and contrast. By leveraging the psychological effects of colors, UI designers can create interfaces that resonate with users on an emotional level and effectively communicate the intended message or brand identity. Careful selection and application of colors can evoke desired feelings, influence user perceptions, and enhance overall user experience.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.